Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic Super Packs. What is Jack's Magic Super Packs? Jack's Magic Super Packs utilize a natural enzyme to prevent the buildup of oils, lotions, and organic contaminants. These biodegradable packs are premixed and quick dissolving to save time and money. Simply toss into the pool and improve your water clarity today. Product benefits: natural enzymes that prevent the buildup of oils, lotions, and organic contaminants. Premixed and quick dissolving to save time and money. Simple and easy to use packs. Dosage: 1 pack per 20,000 gallons of water every 2 weeks. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.